Hi guys, and welcome back to another video on the D10 Tech Tips YouTube channel, and today we're trying a wheel cleaner, and the wheel cleaner we're trying is Blueberry from the Detail Kitchen. So we've tried a few of these products before, late last year when they sort of brought the product onto the market. So yeah, let's see what this one is all about. So this Blueberry is a deep dish wheel cleaner. So yeah, I'm guessing it's just a wheel cleaner. So let's see what it says on the bottle, and then we'll go outside and we'll test it on some wheels, see how it performs. So it says Blueberry, suitable for all wheel types. This blueberry scented wheel cleaner promises to deep cleanse the depths of your wheels. It's non-acidic formula, making it kind on wheel protections too. So yeah, it's a blueberry scented wheel cleaner that's non-acidic, so yeah, you can use it on protected wheels. So how to prepare, which is basically how to use. So spray on the wheel face, covering the spokes and inner barrel, and then it says agitate with a brush, with a wheel brush and or Washmitt. Leave to dwell for approximately 1 minute and then rinse away. So that's basically what we're going to do. We're going to spray it onto the wheel, and then we're going to agitate it with a brush inside and out. So we're doing the inside of the barrel of the wheel and the faces as well. So we'll clean them right up, and yeah, we'll see how well it cleans. And then it says use a dedicated wheel bucket with shampoo mix in conjunction with this cleaner. This helps to clean your equipment and assist the wheel cleaning process as well. So that basically says just to use a bucket of shampoo as well, just to help clean your equipment while you're doing it. So we're going to do that as well, but what I'll do on one wheel is just use the wheel cleaner, and on the other I'll use the shampoo as well. Reason being, I don't want to sort of like mix the products together to sort of like hide the performance of this product. So yeah, the first wheel will do just this product, and then the second one we'll do with the bucket as well. So let's go outside. The wheels aren't that dirty. It's on a fairly new car, so yeah, but this is the only car I had available to me, but it's our chance to try this. So yeah, let's go outside, bring the camera in closer to the wheel, and then yeah, let's see what this Blueberry wheel cleaner can do. Okay, so as you can see, the wheel is a tiny bit dirty. It's not too bad. This car's quite new. It's only got 1,000 miles on. But yeah, this hasn't been washed for 2 weeks. So, and the inner barrel, as you can see, is quite bad. So let's put this Blueberry wheel cleaner on the wheel, and then yeah, we'll agitate it, and then yeah, we'll see how well it performs. Okay, so that's the faces done. It's foamed up quite nice, and that's without any sort of like shampoos or anything. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to get the long wheelbarrow brush, and then yeah, we'll do the inside. So I'm just going to spray some wheel cleaner onto this, just so it's we could get right in there. Okay, so that's the wheel cleaned. Yeah, and it says to leave it sort of like 1 minute. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to leave it a minute while I'm going to get the pressure washer warmed up, and then yeah, we'll rinse it off. Okay, so that's the wheel all rinsed off. It's clean inside and out, apart from the backs of the spokes, which I didn't really focus on. But yeah, it is really clean. So what we're going to do now is we'll go round to the other side of the vehicle, and we'll clean the other wheel, the exact same, but this time we'll use the bucket and the shampoo. So I'll go mix some shampoo in a bucket, and then we'll meet you around the other side. Okay, so similar sort of setup, same wheel on the same car. We're going to use the same wheel cleaner, but we've got a bucket with some shampoo in now. So yeah, I don't think we're going to get much cleaner because the wheels on the other side came up really well. But yeah, the bottle says they recommend sort of like doing this as well. So yeah, let's try it. Okay, so that's the faces done. Let's do the barrel now. Yeah, let's see if it makes any difference with the shampoo or not. Okay, so yeah, that's the wheel all clean. Now let's rinse it off. Okay, so we've just done the application process of this blueberry wheel cleaner outside on that Vauxhall Corsa. So what are my thoughts, and well, most importantly, what's the price? So my thoughts, the first thing, the smell. You can't really smell the blueberry scent. It doesn't really have a smell. Like, yeah, it's quite faint. It's not that strong. Not that the smell matters that much, but going on the back of the label, it does say that it's got a blueberry scent. It does, but yeah, it's not that strong at all. And well, to be fair, when you're using the product, it doesn't really smell of anything, which is not a bad thing, to be fair. So yeah, the smell, it's not as strong as it sort of makes out to be. Other than that, the cleaning, so spraying it onto the wheel, when agitating it, the wheel cleaner does foam up quite nice, and that clearly helps, so you can get in all the nooks and crannies with the actual product. And cleaning the actual wheels, it didn't feel like the brush was sort of like scratching the surface. This did, well, provide some lubrication on the actual wheel itself, and yeah, the end result, it cleaned up the wheel really well. I know this car is, well, it is new, it's only got 1,000 miles on, so yeah, it's not going to be like, I guess the wheels aren't going to be terribly dirty. Like I say, that car, it wasn't washed for around 2 weeks, so yeah, but the product in itself, it did work really well. It brought the wheels back to basically a factory finish, and yeah, they were really clean. When I used it on the other wheel, as you've just seen with the shampoo, so again, it just cleaned just as well. There was no sort of like, there was no difference really. The only really difference was that after sort of like using the brushes halfway through, or after a few spokes, you can sort of like clean your brush out, so you're not like just washing the wheels with a dirty brush. So that's basically the only benefit of using a bucket with some shampoo in when cleaning your wheels with this wheel cleaner. But yeah, there's not really much to say about it. It just works. Like I say, the smell, it's not really there, so that's one down point. Another thing as well, I've used quite a lot on all the 4 wheels. I know, like, well, you've seen from the video, like I did use quite a lot, but I did want to sort of like test the product out. The only downside, you can't dilute this, it is just how it is, so it would be a better product if you could dilute it. Reason being, it's just going to go further. Like, on the van, we use some wheel cleaners that are dilutable, just so they sort of last longer. But apart from that, yeah, this works really well. It does exactly what it says on the bottle, and for the price point, it's $9.99. Regarding the price, all the Detail Kitchen products are pretty much priced at a decent level, so they're affordable, and for the money, you do actually get products that work. Like the products that we've tried from the Detail Kitchen so far, they all work. They do exactly exactly what they say on the label, which is good in a product, and especially a brand. If you do want to go try this out, I will put the links below. Go check the guys out at the Detail Kitchen, because they have got new products coming out, and yeah, their range is getting bigger and bigger, and like I just said, these products actually work. So yeah, go and head over to their website, see what you think of their products, and if you're interested in any, yeah, go and purchase some. Cheers for watching, guys. Make sure you subscribe and comment if you've got anything to say about this video or any other videos, and we'll see you next week for another video.
Alright folks, thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to YouTube and add us on Facebook, Instagram and Twitter. Ta-ra!